Hello and welcome to BEEiLab, your go-to channel for Python and geospatial science. Today, we're diving into the fundamental world of Python operators. So, without further ado, let's explore the fundamentals of operators. Operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Python supports various types of operators, each serving a specific purpose. Let's explore through these essential operator types. At the forefront, we encounter arithmetic operators. These operators perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next in line are comparison or relational operators. These operators compare values and return true or false results. The assignment operators are the next category. These operators assign values to variables. Next, we have membership operators. They will check if a value is present in a sequence. Finally, identity operators compare the equality of two objects. In the next sections, we'll explore each type of operator in more detail, providing examples to illustrate their usage. Python's arithmetic operators are the building blocks of mathematical operations in Python, providing us with the tools to perform a variety of calculations. So, let's explore each operator and its functionality. Now, we start with the addition operator. In this example, we have two variables, a and b, with values of 40 and 20. The plus operator is used to add these values, and the result is stored in the variable result_addition. This operation calculates the sum of a and b, and the result is printed. Moving on to subtraction, we use the subtraction operator to find the difference between a and b. The result is stored in result_subtraction. This operation reveals the subtraction of b from a, and the result is displayed. Next up is multiplication. The star operator allows us to multiply a and b, and the result is stored in result_multiplication and then printed. Now, let's explore the division operation. Using the division operator, we divide variable a by variable b, and the result is stored in result_division. Moving on to floor division, we use the two division operators to find the quotient of a divided by b, rounding down to the nearest integer. Now, let's delve into the modulus operation. Using the modulus operator, we find the remainder when a is divided by b. Finally, let's add the exponentiation operation you provided. This operation raises it to the power of b, and the result is printed. Next, we focus on comparison relational operators. These operators are the architects of value comparisons. These operators return true and false values. Let's dive into some of these operators. We begin with the equal operator. In our example, a and b with values 10 and 20 are compared, and the result is stored in result_equal. This operation evaluates if a is equal to b, and the result is printed. The equal operator checks for equality, returning true if the values are equal and false otherwise. Moving on to the not equal operator between a and b. This operation checks if a is not equal to b, and the result is displayed. This operator returns true if the values are not equal, and false if they are. In addition to the equal and not equal operators, we have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to operators that are listed in the table below. These operators compare the values and return true or false based on the conditions. For instance, let's explore the greater than operator. This operation determines if the a value is greater than b, and the result is printed. This operator returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand, and false if otherwise. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can find code examples on our GitHub page. In the next video, we will explore other operators. So, we'll see you in the next video.